Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing apps from the dock on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. One way to do this is to press Ctrl on your keyboard as you click on the app in the dock and choose Options from the menu. Then click Remove from Dock. The app will be removed from your dock. Another way to remove apps from the dock is to drag the app out of the dock until Remove appears. Then drop the app. That app will be removed from your dock. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.